Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am making the comparison video between the S21 Ultra versus Canon EOS R using 35mm f1.8 lens. So this video is about the portrait mode, portrait video. So I'm just comparing the two uh, camera and mobile phone video that we're going to compare right now. So as you can see right now, this is the video from Canon EOS R using 35mm f1.8, and I'm using the shutter speed 1/125 of a second, and aperture number is f1.8, ISO 400. The key light is right on top of me, and the other side I have Samsung S21 Ultra. I'm using the portrait video mode from Samsung S21 Ultra, and the setting also I'm recording the video in Full HD 60 frame per second from Canon EOS R and from S21 Ultra. Both the video setting is the same. However, I'm not recording in a um, pro video mode because then I cannot use the portrait mode. So I have to record in the actual portrait video, which is a separate functionality in the Samsung S21. So let me know what you guys think, which one is better, and how much the background blur is happening. Let's say if I get closer, you can see a lot of background blur with the Canon EOS R, and with hopefully, because I can't see the phone screen, so I have to look it later. So hopefully the background blur is better in the S21 Ultra as well. I have to double check the setting, which I can change I think later on for the video, how much background blur I want. There is a setting in the S21 Ultra that you can change the background blur later on after making the video. So let me know in the comment below, what do you guys think, which portrait is better if I'm moving, how much effect is going to happen with the phone, and how much effect is going to happen in the video with the Canon EOS R. I think I'm pretty confident that the Canon EOS R is gonna have a better portrait video compared to the S21 Ultra, since it's not that great if you're moving a lot in the video. With the phone, it has the edge problem with the phone, but with the DSLRs or with the mirrorless cameras, they don't usually have these kind of problems. So yeah, let me know in the comment below, what do you think guys, which footage is better looking. I'll see you guys in the next one.